Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Pabitra. I have this packet receipt from Beebeecraft. So today I am going to unboxing it. I am very excited to open this packet. But before unboxing it, I would like to share some information about Beebeecraft. Beebeecraft is one of online store. It is a large supplier of high quality jewelry making supplies in the worldwide. They provide various styles of jewelry beads, jewelry findings, tools, string materials, and DIY crafts. Their supplies belongs to some of popular brands like Panda Hololite, Beebeecraft, Electroplated, Sonic Clio, and N Beads. If you want to buy any kinds of jewelry making products, you can visit their website beebeecraft.com and you can find your desirable materials there. If your purchasing orders over US $25, you will get free shipping. And here I also would like to mention about Beebeecraft free products offer for YouTube creators under YouTube cooperation program. If you are YouTube creators and you have 100 or more subscribers on your YouTube channel, you can apply for this program. Once you get selected by Beebeecraft, they will contact you and ask to choose some of your desirable products on their website. They will ship to you that products and you will not have to pay for it, but you should make videos for them to promote their products on your YouTube channel. Really, it's a great deals and offer between Beebeecraft and YouTube creators. A week ago, I also applied for this program on their website. I got selected by Beebeecraft. They asked me to choose some of my desirable products on their website. I chose some products and they shipped me very fast. I got this packet of materials within 3 or 4 days. I'm so happy for that. It's not huge shipment, but it's great for me. So I would like to thank Beebeecraft by heart. Now let's start to open this packet. First item is pearl beads. It is Electroplated 4 glass round pearl beads. It comes with this kind of plastic box. It is looking pretty nice and small, so it can be easy to store. It is pink theme mixed color. It comes with 10 colors with 1500 pieces box. Its price is 6.78 US dollar. All colors looking very beautiful. It's a nice color, and here is pink, purple, ivory, golden color, and red color. You can see here all colors looking very beautiful. It is great kit for DIY bracelets, necklace, and dress decoration, jewelry accessories, gift, and other crafts. It's all is nice. This one is a Bugal beads. It is Aircraft 6 glass Bugal beads. It is a mixed color, transparent rainbow glass Bugal beads. It comes with a small plastic box. You can see this box is very small and nice, so it can be easy to store. Here is 8 colors and 3500 pieces in this box. All colors looking very pretty and nice. This is a orange color, this is a dark blue color, white color, green color, sky blue color, red color, brown color, and this one is a yellow color. Its size is 1.8 mm diameter, 6 mm long, and 0.6 mm hole. Bugal beads is ideal for craft projects, jewelry making, and also it can be combined with other style of beads to create beautiful jewelry. It's looking very beautiful, so nice. Box is also very nice. This is a pin copy restored findings. It is yarn beads 500 pieces pin copy restored findings, made in China. It comes with plastic bags, this kind of plastic bags. It made of stainless steel, which is corrosion and stain resistant. Its size is 14 mm long, 6 mm wide, and 1 mm pin. Price of 500 pieces bag is 12 per 39 US dollar. It is popular for earrings. It can be create a new pair of classic earrings for every fashion. 500 pieces means it's enough for who creates jewelry only for hobby. Here you can create 250 pairs of earrings in 500 pieces. It's looking very nice. So you can see this. And this is a flat round post here restored findings. It is Beebeecraft 50 pieces flat round post here restored findings. The earring stored components are made of 304 stainless steel original color. It is a sturdy and durable. Its size is 6 mm, 12 mm long, and 0.7 mm pin. It can be used to create a new pair of classic earrings for every fashion. It is a nice materials. Its 50 pieces price is 3.98 US dollar. By using these materials we can learn simple and exciting techniques to make jewelry affordable ways for DIY to get great style. It's looking very nice. It is round post here stored findings, stainless steel in original color. This is a magnetic clasp for jewelry making. It is a Panda Hall Elite mist color 11 by 5 mm oval brass magnetic clasp. It comes with 10 sets bag, this kind of bag. Its price is 3.99 US dollar. its size is about 5 mm wide, 11 mm long, whole 1 mm. The magnetic clasps are drawn together easily when we bring them near to each other, and making it easier to put our jewelry on either from the front or the back. The magnetic clasps are popular jewelry latch, beautiful and decent. Uh, they are attractive and easy to fasten clasps for necklace and bracelets. The magnetic clasps are metal plated of texture quality and have a strong holding strength to keep jewelry more secure. It's 10 shades, 4 bronze color and 2 golden color, 4 silver color. This one is yen beads, 10 instance facet abacus, mixed color electroplated glass beads. Here is a 10 strands in different color. Here is white color, and every color has 2 strands. This is a dark blue color, 2 stands. Per stand have 150 pieces in the stands. This is a golden color. This is a brown color. This one is a AB blue color, mixed color, and this one is rose gold color. 1 2 3 4 5 5 color, and every color has 2 strands. The size of these beads are 4 mm in diameter, 3 mm thick, and whole 1 mm. It has 150 beads per stand. Its price is 8.79 US dollar per 10 stands. These glass beads have been electroplated metallic color on their surface, which seems to be shiny and colorful. The beads are made with solid color glass for long lasting wear. These beads are gaining popularity attributed to their affordable and gorgeous advantage. It's all color looking very pretty. Here is 5 different color. Per color have 2 strands. We can use these beads for making earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. Really, it's a very nice colors and nice beads. After watching this video, hope you guys also like these products. If you are interested any of them, please check all materials link in description box. Thank you for watching my video, and once again thanks for Beebeecraft for this beautiful beading material. Thank you.